Hey, and welcome back. Today I'm excited to bring our first DIY. We'll be making a simple plant hanger. These are the items you will need to get started. You will need to cut 9 pieces of cording. Begin with your longest cord. Find the halfway point and place it evenly on the ring. Next, take the 7 cords the same size and place them over the longest cord. For this next part, consider all 7 same size strings to be filler cords and the longest string to be your working cord. Take the cord on the front side of the ring to the left of the fillers and the cord to the back side to the right. Complete a half knot. After adjusting your filler cords, complete 6 more half knots. This will make a spiral. Once the spiral is completed, you can adjust it more to the shape you want. Measure 8 inches from the end of your spiral, grab 4 close together cords, and complete a square knot. Continue on until you have a sennit of 4. This is how a completed section should look. You should be able to visibly see 2 heads on the left and 2 on the right. Take the rest of the cords and separate into sections of 4. Complete 3 more sections of sennits. Next, you'll want to measure 2 inches from the bottom of the sennit. Grab the 2 outermost cords from one section and the 2 outermost cords from the section beside it. Combine with a square knot sennit of 2. Continue to do this for the remainder of the cords. The last knot we'll be doing is a gathering knot. For a 4-inch planter, you will start this about 2 inches below the last knots. Grab your last piece of unused cording, form an upside down loop just below the section you intend to wrap. The short end should be facing up. Take the long end of cord and wrap as many times as you want. I typically wrap around 5 to 7 times. Once you have completed the wrap, take your long end of cord and put it through the loop. Take your short end and pull. The knot should go inside the wrap. If you don't like the shortness of the wrap cording, you can cut them close to the wrap and they'll blend in. The last thing to do is to put the pot in the hanging. That's it. I hope you all enjoyed.